So yun guys, so tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-compute ng grades sa junior high, sa LMN, sa college. So itong steps na to is theoretical lang to. So hindi pa to yung actual na kung paano mag-compute. Pero ito is a modular base, so theoretical lang to. Dito yung malalaman yung mga steps and yung mga formulas and yung mga step by step guide kung paano siya computein. So yan, basic formulas lang muna tayo yan for the step by step process for computing grades using Excel formulas. Ayan. And then, so first part, so kung meron na kayong input na raw scores, ayan, so kakalculate natin yung total. So yung total is yan yung formula, equals sum, then open and close parenthesis, doon ilalagay yung cell range or yung cell. So kung ilan yung raw scores, yung input halimbawa A1, then yung colon, and then yung last cell halimbawa is A1 colon B7. So halimbawa ganun karami yung range ng raw scores. So nakalagay dyan sa range where raw scores are inputted. Ayan, so next naman natin is i-calculate natin yung PS or yung percentage score. So ito yung over 100. Yan, so 100 ang pinaka mataas na percentage score sa inyong formula, equals sum A1 divided by B2 times C3. So si A1, ito yung total ng lahat. So halimbawa, ayan yung total possible score or yung score ng student doon sa raw scores na yun. Halimbawa is naka 87 yung kanyang total score sa written work. So halimbawa lang, and then ang B2, ito naman written score, so ang B2, ito yung halimbawa ng ito yung pinaka total score. So halimbawa is over 100 yung lahat ng raw score na yun. So halimbawa 87 divided by 100, then C3, ito naman yung pinaka so ang nangyayari niyan is 87 divided by 100 times 100 para makuha yung percentage score. And then for weighted score naman, ayan yung formula, A1 times 20%. So yan, i-decimal niya siya para makuha yung kanyang weighted score. So depende yung weighted score kung anong subject or course yung kukumputin nyo. Ayan, for calculating the actual grade is i-add nyo lahat yung mga weighted score doon sa component na yun. And then for the calculation of the transmutation of grade or equivalent grade, ayan yung formula, equals floor, and then if, and then yan yung formula. So si A1 is a cell reference na yan yung dyan naka-input yung actual grade. And then for the calculation of the pointing scale, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is applicable for college. Ayan, ayan yung formula. So itong formula to is hindi gumagamit ng lookup kung kayo ay walang lookup sa inyong grade book sa inyong formula. So AA4 is the cell location of the equivalent grade or the transmuted grade. So depende na lang sa teacher kung meron siyang transmutation of grade, kung nagamit siya doon. Then ipo-pointing scale pa niya para makuha yung 1, 1 to 5, 1.5, 1.75, 2, and 2 to 5, then 2.5, then 2.75, then 3, then 5. Ayan. Then that's all for now guys. So kung gusto yung matutunan kung paano ito gawin, is diretso tayo sa Excel gradebook for junior high school. Ayan, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano siya i-input or paano siya ma-compute ng maayos. Pero hanggang dito lang yun sa equivalent grade kasi for college na tong pointing scale. Yun lang guys, and thanks for watching.